Today, a shimmer of gold lies mantled o'er smooth, lovely ocean. Through the lustrous gloom, a savor steals from linden trees in bloom, and a garden's ranged at many a palace door. Proud walls rise here, and where the sunbeams pour their sparkling enchantment down the glowing coastline, terrace and lawn, trim hedge and flowering vine, crowned with fair culture, all the sounding shore. How sweet to such a place, on such a day, from halls with beauty and festival aglare, to come distract and stretched on the warm turf, yield to some fond improbable delight, while the sun in radiance rises, and all the air sighs with the muffled tumult of the surf.